3 steps of land. Okay. Now the main thing where Lord Vamandev will ask for 3 steps of land. Okay. तस्मात् त्वत्तो महीम शतवृणेऽहं वरदर्शभात् पदानि त्रीणि दैत्रेन्द्र संहितानि पदा मम. Tasmat, for such a person, Tvatta from your majesty, Maheen land, Ishat, by little birthday I am asking for, I, Varadrishabad, from the personality who can give charity beneficently. Padani, put step 3 That Indra, O king of the Daityas, Samitani, to the measurement of path by footnote. So, he glorified, you are like this, you are like this, your father is like this, your grandfather is like this, your dynasty is like this. O king of the Daityas, from your majesty, who come from such a noble family, just now he explained us, such a noble family, and who are able to give charity beneficently. Your father gave charity, so big personality, your whole dynasty is. I ask only 3 paces of land to the measurement of my steps. Okay, so Lord Vamandev wanted 3 paces of land according to the measurement of his footsteps. He did not want more than necessary. 3 steps he wanted, that's it. But although he pretended to be an ordinary human child, he actually wanted the land comprising the upper, middle, and lower planetary system. This was just to show the progress of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He said, I just want 3 paces of land, that also from the measurement of my foot, my steps, because I'm anyway small. So, नान्यत्ते कामये राजन वदान्याय जगदीश्वरात् नैनः प्राप्नोति वै विद्वान् वदर्थ प्रतिग्रह. Not anyat anything else they from you kamaye. I beg Rajan King Vadanyat, who was so magnificent, Jagat Ishvara, who was the king of the entire universe, not ena distress prapnoti gets by indeed Vidwan, one who is learned, Yavat Artha as much as one needs. Pratigraha, taking charity from others. O king, controller of the entire universe, although you are very munificent, are able to give me as much as land as I want. I do not want anything from you that is unnecessary. I know you can give, because Bali may think that is insult for me. You are asking only 3 things. I am so big man, and you are asking for 3 pieces of land. What is that? So you know, you can give me some, but I don't want anything which is unnecessary. If a learned Brahman takes charity from others only according to his needs, he does not become entangled in sinful activities. A Brahman or sannyasi is qualified to ask charity from others. But if he takes more than necessary, he is punishable. No one can use more of the Supreme Lord's property than necessary. Lord Vamandev indirectly indicated to Bali Maharaj that he was occupying more land than he needed. In the actually he said like this, okay, in the material world all distresses are due to extravagance. One acquires money extravagantly and also spends it extravagantly. Such activities are sinful. All property belongs to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and all living beings who are the sons of the Supreme Lord have the right to the Supreme Father's property, but one cannot take more than necessary. Nobody should take whatever is not necessary. Bali Maharaj, Vamandev is telling indirectly to Bali Maharaj that actually you are having so much, you don't need this much, you are having unnecessary property. Okay, so I will take everything. So Prabhupada is saying that people should not take what is unnecessary. That's why even olden days people, they when they get so much thing, they will give it charity or like that. This principle, and if Brahmanas they accept charity, they get more and more, so they also go and put inside the jungle like that. Or above the, or sometime in mountains, they will go and leave all the wealth there. This principle should especially be followed by Brahmanas and Sannyas who live at the cost of others. Thus Vamandev was an ideal beggar, for he has only 3 pieces of land. Of course, there is a difference between his footsteps and those of an ordinary human being. Because he is God, he can, in 3 pieces of land, he can measure everything. Because he is God. So his steps are different than our steps. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by his inconceivable prowess, can occupy the entire universe, including the upper, lower, and middle planetary system, by the unlimited measurement of his footsteps. Sri Baliruvacha Aho Brahman Dayad Vachaste Vrata Sammata Tvam Balo Balishakti Swartam Pratyudo Yatha. Sri Baliruvacha, Bali Maharaj said, Aho alas, Brahman Dayad, O son of Brahman, Vacha, the words they of you, Vrata Sammata, are certainly acceptable to learned and elderly persons from you, Bala. Why? Balishmati, without sufficient knowledge, Swartam, self-interest, Pratik, toward Ahuda, not knowing sufficiently, Yata, as it should be. Bali Maharaj said, O son of Brahman, your instructions are as good as those of learned and elderly person. Nonetheless, you are a boy, and your intelligence is insufficient. That is why, thus, you are not very prudent in regard to your self-interest. You don't know what is good for you. That's why you are asking only this small thing. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, being full in himself, actually has nothing to want for his self-interest. Lord Vamandev therefore had not gone to Bali Maharaj for his own self-interest. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, Bhoktaram Yagya Tapsam Sarvlok Maheshwaram. The Lord is the proprietor of all planets in both material and spiritual. Why should he be in want of land? Actually, everything belongs to Krishna. Bali Maharaj rightly said that Lord Vamandev was not at all prudent in regard to his own personal interest. Lord Vamandev had approached Bali not for his personal welfare, but for the welfare of his devotees. So Bali is saying is right. Devotees sacrifice all personal interest to satisfy the Supreme Personality of God. Everything what devotee has, they can give it, and they can sacrifice everything for the pleasure of Krishna. And similarly, the Krishna, the Supreme Lord, although having no personal interest, can do anything for the interest of his devotees. One who is full in himself has no personal interest. माम बचोभी समाराध्य लोकानाम एकम ईश्वरम पदत्रयम प्रणीते यो बुद्धिमान विवाद सुषम. Ma me Vajobi by sweet words Samaradhya, after sufficiently pleasing Lokana of all the planets in this universe, Ekam, the one and only Ishvara, master controller, Padatrayam, repeat, Pranita is asking for Yah, he who Abuddhiman, not very intelligent, Dvip Daushasham, because I can give you an entire island. I am able to give you an entire island because I am the proprietor of 3 divisions of the universe. Trilokapati I am. You have come to take some from me and have pleased me by your sweet words, but you are asking only 3 pieces of land, therefore you are not very intelligent. What is this? You are going to some crorepati, some like Bill Gates says to you, Are you ask, I am so happy. You ask whatever you want. What you will ask? Give me 10 rupees. What is this? That's what Bali is saying. I am owner of all the 3 planetary systems, Triloka, and what you are asking me? I can give you 3. I am the owner of 3 lokas, and you are asking me 3 pieces of land. What is this? I can give you even island. Ask something big here. What is this? Even for my reputation part, people will say. According to the Vedic understanding, the entire universe is regarded as an ocean of space. In that ocean, there are innumerable planets, and each planet is called a Dvipa or island. Okay, so island is different here. Dvipa. When approached by Lord Vamandev, Bali Maharaj was actually in possession of all the dvipas or island in space. Bali Maharaj was very pleased to see the features of Vamandev and was ready to give him as much land as he asked. But because Lord Vamandev asked only 3 pieces of land, Bali Maharaj considered him not very intelligent. Na Puman Mam, why is saying? Because I can give you this much, I am so big man, you ask all that you are not intelligent. Na puman mamu kubrajya bhuyo yachitum arhati tasmat vritti kare bhumim pato kamam praticham. Na not man, any person mam unto me kubrajya, after approaching bhuya again yachitum beg, arhati deserves tasmat, therefore vritti kare, able to maintain yourself. Bhumi such land bhatto, O small brahmachari, kaman according to the necessities of life, pratiksha, take me from me. O small boy, One who approaches me to beg something should not have to ask anything more anywhere. If somebody has come to me, then he should not have any need to go and ask anywhere else. Therefore, if you wish, you may ask from me as much land as will suffice to maintain you according to your needs. Okay, so here this section 16 to 20 ends. Vamandev begs for the 3 steps of land.